Welcome back to the House of Cars 2024, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the all-new Hyundai Creta 2024, a compact SUV that perfectly blends style, comfort, and advanced technology. The Hyundai Creta has been a popular choice for many, and the 2024 model takes it to the next level. Let's dive into what makes the 2024 Hyundai Creta stand out in its segment. Bold and modern design. The Hyundai Creta 2024 features a bold and modern design that catches the eye from every angle. The exterior showcases Hyundai's signature cascading grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharp lines that give it a dynamic and sophisticated look. The new Creta comes with stylish alloy wheels in a range of vibrant colors, ensuring you stand out on the road. The design is both functional and aesthetic, offering excellent aerodynamics and a striking presence. Comfortable and tech-savvy interior. Step inside the 2024 Creta, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and well-appointed interior. The cabin is designed with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and premium upholstery. The ergonomic seats provide excellent support and comfort for both shorter and long drives. The rear seats offer ample legroom and can be folded down to expand the cargo space, providing flexibility for your storage needs. The 2024 Creta is packed with advanced technology. The centerpiece is a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority in the Hyundai Creta 2024. The SUV comes equipped with Hyundai's Smart Sense suite of safety features, including forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features help prevent accidents and ensure the safety of you and your passengers. Efficient and responsive performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Creta offers a choice of efficient and responsive engines. The standard engine is a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol unit that provides a smooth and reliable driving experience. For those seeking more power, there's an available 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine that delivers thrilling performance. Both engines are paired. The Creta also features Hyundai's advanced suspension system, providing a comfortable ride over various terrains. The responsive steering and well-tuned chassis make it enjoyable to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the countryside. Pricing. The Hyundai Creta 2024 is competitively priced, starting at around $21,000 for the base model. Higher trims with additional features and enhancements can go up to approximately $28,000. This pricing makes the Creta an attractive option for those looking for a feature-rich compact SUV that offers excellent value for money. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Hyundai Creta 2024. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.